If your iPhone battery is draining way too fast, before you reset your phone, before you think about replacing the battery, start with this one setting first, because in many cases, the problem is not your battery, it's what's running in the background. And once you fix that, you can often see a real difference. Now, this video is not about complicated fixes. No risky steps, no technical tricks, just a simple, practical routine you can follow in a few minutes. Let's start with the most important setting, Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, then General, and then tap Background App Refresh. Now here's what this does. It allows apps to update themselves in the background, even when you're not using them. That means apps can check for updates, refresh content, and stay active all day. Sounds useful? But it also means your battery is being used constantly without you noticing. Now here's the simple fix. You have two options. Option 1, turn it off completely. This is the easiest and safest option for most people. Option 2, keep it on only for a few apps that actually need it, like messaging apps or email. But everything else can stay off, because most apps don't need to refresh in the background all the time. Now, once you change this, don't expect instant results. Use your phone normally for a few hours. Then check how your battery behaves. If the drain slows down, you've already solved the problem. Now let's move to the next check. Battery usage. Go to Settings, then Battery. Here, you'll see a list of apps and how much battery they've used. This is one of the most important screens on your iPhone because it tells you what's actually draining your battery. Look for anything unusual. For example, if one app is using 40, 50, or even more %, that's a clear sign. That app is likely the problem, not your phone, not your battery, just that app. And once you identify it, you have options. You can limit how often you use it, update it, or even remove it if it's not necessary. Now let's check another setting that quietly drains battery. Location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Here, you'll see which apps can access your location, and more importantly, when they can access it. Some apps are set to Always. That means they can track your location even in the background, and that uses battery continuously. Now think about this. Does every app really need your location all the time? Probably not. So here's what you should do. For most apps, change the setting to While using the app. This means the app only uses location when you actually open it, and that can reduce battery drain significantly. Now let's move to a quick helper setting, Low Power Mode. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn on Low Power Mode. What this does is temporarily reduce background activity. It limits things like background app refresh, automatic downloads, visual effects, and helps your battery last longer. Now this is not a permanent fix, but it's a great test. If your battery suddenly improves with low power mode on, that means background activity was likely the cause. Now let's talk about something simple, but very important. Your screen. The display is one of the biggest battery users on any phone. So if your brightness is always high, your battery will drain faster. Go to your brightness settings and reduce it to a comfortable level. Also check Auto Lock. If your screen stays on for a long time after you stop using it, that's unnecessary battery usage. Set Auto Lock to a shorter time, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. These small changes may seem simple, but together, they make a noticeable difference. Now before we finish, Let's talk about what you should not do. Don't reset your iPhone immediately. Don't assume your battery is damaged after one bad day. And don't rush to replace it. Most battery problems are caused by apps and settings, not hardware. So always start with these checks first. Now let's quickly recap everything. If your iPhone battery is draining fast, first, turn off background app refresh. Then, check battery usage to find any problematic apps. Next, reduce location access to while using the app. Turn on low power mode as a quick test. And finally, lower brightness and adjust auto lock. That's it. Simple steps, no risk, and often enough to fix the problem. And here's the most important takeaway. You don't need to fix everything at once. Just start with one setting, test it, and move step by step. Because once you understand what's draining your battery, you're in control. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple, practical tech guides that actually solve real problems.